And those pops are just insane. Wow, I am going to be driving in manual mode a lot because it is so fun. Okay, so first drive in manual mode, POV style. We're all going to get straight to it. We're already in manual mode. We're in my driver config, which is basically race mode. And yeah, we're going to see what this gearbox is about. Oh, it shifts fast and it's so satisfying. So this gearbox is a dual clutch system. It's a very sporty gearbox and it's got 8 gears, and as you can see they change flawlessly. There's a lot of road noise in this car though, so hopefully you can hear me okay. So we're in 8th gear now and yeah, it's cruising along. Digital dash does a great job of showing the gears. Oh, there's a lot of pickup even in 5th gear. So 5th gear is quite a nice car quite a nice gear to be in, shall I say. But we're going to go down gears, we're going to have some fun, we're going to drive this car how it's meant to be driven in manual mode in the sportiest settings. So if we flip down now. There's some serious pops coming out of the back. Even the downshift from 5th to 4th, I heard some pops. But that's what it's all about, guys, the pops and just the responsiveness. I mean, look how fast it changes gear. Oh, better slow down. Whoa. Do you know, the pops are really good in this car. I don't know what everyone's talking about. They've been slating this car online. It's just interesting. When you're in the race mode, especially now in manual mode, this car has more pops or the same. No, but I'm going to say it has more pops than the C43, which is a very controversial sentence. The C43 sounds amazing and the pops are amazing and the crackles, but this car, it loves to pop when you've got the engine warm and you're in the racy settings. Anyway, gearbox. So yeah, we're in 4th gear, we'll go down to 5th, or up rather. Sorry, I'm always excited when I'm doing these POV drives. See, there you go, so I was in 5th and I wanted to see if I could shift up to 6th, and actually, you see that flash? That is preventing you from upshifting too high, and yeah, it would be the same if you tried to go too low, so there is some good protection here too. So we're dropping down to 2nd for this roundabout. Now there's no one behind us, so I'm going to drop down to 1st. We're going to see how fast we can get through the gears. The car's very, very snappy in 1st gear. It is just ridiculously quick. I have never experienced a gearbox this quick other than a Porsche, and you know, it's borderline the same. Like, I love the C43 and the C63. You know, the gearbox was okay in that car, but this is on another level. It's so quick. I mean, just look. I would say it's like a blink. Downshifts, and it's so smooth. And those pops are just insane. Wow, I am going to be driving in manual mode a lot because it is so fun. Those pops are so on point. 2nd gear is where you get the biggest pops. We're basically making popcorn back there. So yeah, a few people said to me, you know, how do you enjoy a car this fast on UK roads? Because you're breaking the law and you're breaking the speed limit so quickly. Well, this is how. When you've got a gearbox like this with the flappy paddles in manual mode, and you can just play around in the low gear range and hear the pops and just that responsiveness of the engine, it's so much fun. I mean, I've been stuck behind people going slow on fast roads, and I've, you know, in my C43 I was just playing with the gears and the gearbox and just listening to all the feedback and all that sound, and this car does not disappoint when it comes to that, as we're finding out now. I mean, this is my first official time driving in the manual mode on this. I wanted to wait so you guys could experience it with me. So once we get out of here now, we're going to see how fast we can get through the gears again. So yeah, I'm going to start in second after some lovely pops. You get a lovely grunt from every gear change as well. So we get downshift now for this bend. Oh, that was like a machine gun. Let's see how it handles pulling out of here, see how fast we can get through the gears once all this traffic goes by. Quite a nice wide open road after this car. It is just so much fun going through the gears, and gosh, that was so quick. It just changes so fast. I mean, this is just my first initial impression. We're going to be doing lots of drives and lots of tests of the gearbox just to see how good it is, but first impressions, unbelievable and so much fun. I mean, I knew it was quick and I knew it was good because it's been performing flawlessly in automatic mode, but when you have the paddles, you know, and you're engaging and you're pressing the buttons, it's just so satisfying seeing the car change gears so quickly, and you are in complete control of the pops. I mean, all you need to do is just downshift, and you've got these lovely pops at the back. I have no regrets or no worries with the sound of this car. I mean, if we put a custom exhaust on it, you know, like a basic decat, you know, something that won't affect warranty and doesn't require a tune, it's going to be unreal because it's just going to increase those pops even more. But oh, it's just so fun. If anyone is watching this video and you've got one of these cars on order and you're waiting for it, and you're worried about the pops and bangs from the exhaust, please don't, because it's absolutely awesome. Oh my word. What I like about it too is you don't know what type of pops you're going to get. They're kind of different every time. Sometimes they're quite subtle, and every now and then you just get, and it will either be slow pops, fast pops, but just controlling it with the gears, these flappy paddles, is just so fun. So yeah, let's talk gearbox. So this is the 8-speed dual clutch, and it's the fastest Mercedes gearbox I've ever used actually. I think it's incredible so far. It just gets through the gears so quick, and I've got a lot of videos I'm going to do of this gearbox because I'm very excited. We're going to be doing some more drives, more in-depth looks, but I'm also going to be doing for those of you that don't really have much experience with flappy paddles and you want to start using them more. I mean, I've got my eight tips and tricks with the flappy paddles, which has been a very popular video, but I am working on a full in-depth guide. We're going to use the CLA45s to do it with this amazing gearbox. I'm going to do a full, long, in-depth video just showing you guys exactly how to use flappy paddles in an automatic gearbox, and this will apply to sports cars or comfortable cars as well. You know, it's going to be a full in-depth guide. Do you know what? It has not failed me at all. So yeah guys, I just wanted to give you a quick video and capture my first ever time, you know, using the manual mode on the gearbox, and yeah, it did not disappoint. I promise guys, more videos with this gearbox coming soon. Educational videos showing you how to use it to its full potential, but also just tons of fun listening to those pops, changing gears, high speeds. Yeah, it's all coming soon, so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it too, please hit the like button because that always helps the channel out. It makes YouTube recommend it to more people so more people can listen to this. Which just sounds awesome. So yeah guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. I'm going to do one more acceleration down here, then I'll see you guys next time.